Hi everyone, and welcome to this XTM TechTalk. Joining me are Bob Willans, CEO of XTM International. Hi Bob.
Hi Dave. Hi.
And Camillo Brena, Marketing Training Manager at XTM. Hi Camillo.
Hi Dave. Hi Bob.
Look, we've all been affected one way or another by the forced move to digital this year. How do you think companies have coped and transitioned, Bob?
Look, I really think that the pandemic has made companies focus and accelerate on the move to digital. Some clearly were more prepared than others, and the transition has gone more smoothly. But XTM is an enabling technology for digital working. Since we started, we've enabled many organizations to connect their teams seamlessly on one global platform. And as a company, XTM, through its DNA, is a digital company, and we have continued to work without a problem through the pandemic. And all our staff has transitioned seamlessly to working from home.
So in many ways, you were set up for this, if you like.
Absolutely. This was right from the outset. We have been set up to do that.
Yeah, excellent. Now, talking about events, events are an important part of doing business. We all like going to events. What has this change to digital meant for the industry and for a company like XTM with regard to events?
So historically, we have been big supporters of all the important industry events, Lockworld and Gala and many other events as well, and benefited from establishing relationships with our clients via face-to-face meetings. I believe it's quite difficult to establish the similar online relationships. It's a challenge that we're looking to see how we can overcome.
All right, and Camillo, what's your take on that?
Well, I agree. So moving events to virtual has certainly changed the way we perceive them. The basic concept of an event has not changed, but the overall approach has. So we had to transition to a new way of interact, share, and participate. We are still at the beginning of this, I guess. So there is much potential to explore, to achieve on virtual events. I think we were one of the first company, at least in our market, to transition our main event, XTM Live, to a virtual format. Once we have decided to postpone the event to October 2021, we thought how and what we could give back to our community after months of preparations and all the efforts. So it was natural for us to stream a reduced version of our main events, trying to keep the same level of quality, open environment that has been the XTM Live trademark since the beginning.
Yeah, and that must have been, quite a journey, and you've mentioned XTM Live, the physical event, XTM LIVEStream, which is that move that's been made onto digital platforms. Can you give some background as to why these events were created in the first place and what that value has been and how it has developed?
There's a bit of history there. So, well, giving you a bit of background on how we start to think about creating our own event, so XTM Live. I think XTM has always been known as an innovative company with ethical, honest approach, capable to create a strong impact in our market. We grow through years with our users, and this sense of growing together was the basic idea for me to XTM Live. We wanted to get closer to our community, share ideas, best practices, brainstorms on new approaches, technologies, or simply to meet face-to-face to have discussions. So this is how we started to plan our first event back in 2017 in San Mateo at the Sony headquarters. During the event, I remember to look at Bob and Seamus at the time and having the same feeling that was the right time to approach and meet our community. Since then, we had other successful events in Amsterdam, Boston, and London. So learning after each event, and we try to bring some innovations that lead us now to what is right now XTM Live. We know that people really enjoy to be part of this, to be part of this environment, of this community. So all the feedbacks help us actually to make this better and better. So for me, I always said that for me, conferences need to be interesting, interactive, and inclusive. So that is what is XTM Live and XTM Livestream is about.
Right. And Bob, what have you to say on the value side?
Yeah, so establishing good communications with our clients is absolutely vital. And the XTM Live historically has been a vital part of that strategy to meet with and understand their issues and share success stories as well. That's very important. And another area is to tell clients about what we have in the pipeline coming down the line, and allowing them to say which items are particularly important to them. So we get some feedback in terms of building up the new features we can add into XTM.
Right, and by drawing a line in the sand and having this event, it gives everyone an opportunity to kind of prepare those thoughts, right, and bring feedback and gather information on what's happening next in XTM Cloud, and with other companies that they meet. Okay, so when is the next version of XTM Livestream, and what can you tell us about it?
Well, the next XTM Livestream, the Intelligent Revolution, AI, Automation, the Cloud, this is the title, will run on the 16th of December, 2020. We are very excited from the list of presenters and subjects that we are able to actually to get for this event. It will be a very intense and informative event. We try to keep the same format, so top-notch presentation, discussion, networking areas, subject matter expert, and much more. So we are very excited for this event.
Great, that sounds really cool. And so, you know, you've been setting this up, and you know, do you have any tips to share on running digital events? You know, that seems to be what people are starting to focus on this year a lot more.
Well, the basic things is to check your computer, your internet connection, your headphones. You know, be sure to don't do updates, and of course, don't spill coffee on your keyboard. This doesn't work. That doesn't work at all.
That sounds like a lessons learned item right there, right?
Yeah, absolutely. This doesn't work.
Excellent. So preparation, it sounds like, is absolutely key to these type of events, right? Excellent. And how can people sign up to the next installment of XTM Livestream, December 16th?
We are updating our website, xtmlivestream.com, more or less every week. Directly from there, you can actually sign up.
XTM Livestream is really one of the key events for us, and we're really excited about it and looking forward to running it. Camillo has done a great job in organizing it and getting everything working. And we look forward to meeting you all on the 16th of December. So can't wait till then.
Excellent.
Absolutely.
On that note, thank you both very much. We'll see you all out there, and the team at XTM Livestream on December 16th. Thanks.
Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye.
Thank you.